Open up your can of bait. Make sure it's fresh. And take about a finger scoop out. Then once you've got that, you're gonna mold it around your treble hook into a perfect ball. Then once you've got that molded, this is the important part. You're gonna take it and dip it in the water. Once you've dipped it in the water, you're gonna mold it again a second time. Now you can see when I place it in the water that this bait floats off the bottom. The trout is going to be swimming around the bottom, cruising around, looking for food. It's going to smell this and see it floating about 24 inches off the bottom, and it's going to grab it. And when it does, your rod tip, it's going to make a motion like this. That's the fish biting it. When it bites it and does that, you want to yank back on the rod, setting the hook.